guys, it's Dan the Medic. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm over here at Chubby Cattle Wagyu. All you can eat, guys. And they got a lot of like memberships and different clubs. You can buy the NFT, all kinds of stuff. Let's take a look at the menu. And this is the menu, guys. Whoa. All right, look at that marbling. And over here we got self-serve salad bar. We got over here some plates, some lettuce, seaweed salad, edamame, pickled, cucumber, guys. Right, peppers and like kimchi looking things. And we got things in foil. Oh my goodness. Are these mushrooms? Oh wow. They got mushrooms. I wonder if you can grill those things. Okay. Oh, and of course, please make sure the corn cheese and enoki mushrooms are grilled for at least 3 to 5 minutes and fully cooked before enjoying. Thank you, boss. Appreciate it. And over here, we got self-serve liquids. What kind of liquids? I don't know, guys. What is this stuff? It looks like stew. Self-serve stew? And is this white rice? That smells like, oh, white rice, guys. So you can get yourself white rice curry or something like that from the self-serve area. That's nuts. I might get a bowl. And over here we got self-serve drinks. Get your own drinks, guys. We got fountain sodas and all that. Oh, we got this thing here that dispenses this stuff. Oh wow. We got green tea and milk tea over here. Oh boy. And we have an ice cream dispensary. Oh my goodness, ice cream, hi. Ice cream, guys. Oh.
It does stop your motoring all along. Okay, cool. Standing kitchen right over here. 5 minute timer for 10 around for us, guys, all right? I'll get us our senior discount, also our gold NFT discount for us real quick. I'll put that in for you guys. Okay. With the iPad. Awesome. Of course.
So let's we're gonna leave the ordering up to Dan Su. Oh, by the way, we have Dan Su today.
Hello.
Hello. And then we have Cousin Tom again.
Hello.
Yeah, you remember Cousin Tom from the dim sum? All right. Okay. Okay. So I have a question. What was the two liquid things that's next to the white rice? One smelled like curry.
Yes, those are actually two of our best containers. One is going to be the left side is going to be the beef curry rice. Basically, the rice is going to be in that tub, and you just put the curry on top. Really, really nice. The other one's going to actually be Wagyu rice bowl. So basically, just ground Wagyu that we use with our Australian cuts.
Oh, so it's just ground Wagyu.
Ground Wagyu, yes, sir.
Oh, it's ground Wagyu, guys.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
It's really good with rice on top as well. Okay.
Okay.
My secret menu mix a bit of both together.
Oh, okay.
It's a secret menu.
Wow. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go grab that.
Yes.
So Dan Su got these selections over here: seaweed salad. We got some kimchi and what looks like spinach. We got things in foil. Over here, Cousin Tom got that stuff there. All right. Scallop things over here. So I got over here some of the Wagyu ground beef along with the curry with white rice. My selection from the salad bar, including a little bit more mushrooms over here. And then we got something inside a pineapple and slices of something. It kind of looks like spam to me, guys. All right, let's get this going. All right, so I'm gonna try the curry and the Wagyu rice bowl here. It is so funny. It is like help yourself. Oh, so tender. Wow, I think it might be a brisket. Very nice curry flavor. I would throw in a dash of salt. Oh, this ground beef thing is pretty nice. All right, let's try some of the seaweed salad here.
take it off. I forgot. It's probably easier to take it off.
A little fishy. Well, it is from the ocean.
It takes a little while.
So this stuff you saw from before are the special stuff. You only get one off. One per person?
No, it's one. So you get the choice of 3. So on the first row, you get a choice of 1 of the 4 and then 1 of the 4. So I just got 3 different ones.
Oh, and that's it. Ooh, now these are the special stuff. Expensive stuff, guys. That's some good kimchi.
Yeah.
Soybean. Oh, sure, thank you. Oh, the enoki mushrooms are ready. First, let's have a bite of this soybean. Very soybeanish.
Put this at the edge, I'll take it away. Alright, so let's cook the thick one.
Oh, it has a very nice smell to these mushrooms. Pretty tasty, guys. Pretty tasty. I think the scallop is done. Let's try the scallop. Oh, it's very scallop smelling. Fresh scallop taste. 9 for the scallop. The grill is really getting going. Check it out. Wow, it is really looking good right now. Oh, thank you.
Oh, you're by Washington Park? Yeah. Washington.
Oh boy, oh boy. I love the fire.
So you're closer to north?
All right, let's try some of this very special beef. Oh, it's already well seasoned with salt and pepper. Oh, very fatty, very fatty. Wow, I could eat a whole bowl of white rice with this. Ooh. It's so good.
How's the first round looking for us so far, you guys?
I like it.
I'm glad. Any questions or anything, please let me know, you guys, okay? Thank you guys.
Okay. Is that pineapple flavor?
Maybe. We had this with Rumi last time.
Oh, so was it? I don't remember.
I don't think so.
No. I wonder what's up with the pineapple.
Probably giving some sweetness or something.
Oh, I love the big plumes of smoke. As you can see, they have a ventilation thing taking the smoke into the side. Very clever, guys. Woo-hoo. Ooh, whoa, whoa. Nice and flamey. Oh my goodness.
We'll turn it down a tiny bit for us, gentlemen, okay?
Okay.
gonna help us cut this one as well, okay? Gentlemen, how do you guys like it done? Medium, medium rare, medium well?
Can I have a Pittsburgh style?
Pittsburgh style.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me asking, how's that cooked? Actually, don't
It's
know.
like just extremely charred on the outside,
Gotcha, understood.
and the inside like medium rare.
Gotcha.
I don't know how hot this can get, but with the flames, it should be no issue.
It's the highest you can get, but let me try my best
Yeah,
for that, all
yeah,
right?
but that's just me. I don't know how they want it.
What about for us, gentlemen? Same thing, or you guys want to do a little bit different? Just do it? Okay.
Yeah, all right.
You're the first one to ask me that. Like, Pittsburgh, how do you say it?
Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh style, okay.
Yeah.
I learn something new every day.
Yeah.
How many days are we staying in Vegas for this time?
Oh, I leave tomorrow. They're local.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay, we're the only one. I gotcha. Understood.
I'm very local.
Local.
I moved to Vegas in 1969.
Oh my god, long time. They're retired here. They're just, they're just, baccarat.
All right, so I'm gonna try this here piece over here.
New York. But we moved here like a long time ago.
So fatty.
Oh, really?
I think they call this place Chubby Cattle because the beef is so fat, guys. A lot of marbling. And now we got these pieces of beef. Oh, smells wonderful. So fatty, guys. These things are so rich, you can only eat a little bit of it.
Put it right there. That's enough. That's one. I eat this all the time.
Oh, none for me. I'm lactose intolerant. But thank you. Okay, so next round is coming. Dan Su had put in the order into the tablet. Tablet, guys. Hey, look. Oh, the robot came. Look at the robot. Look at this. All right, I guess that's for us. Do we just take it?
Yes, unfortunately, he doesn't have hands yet. We're not that far in.
Oh, okay.
But as you can tell, it's the top row that is ours, the one that lights up.
Okay,
The beef tongue,
oh.
the very top. Everything else right underneath, right over here for you guys.
Oh, okay.
Also, the
Whole bunch of
mushrooms
stuff.
right here for us as well, you guys, all right?
Oh,
Sorry about
oh.
the wait, gentlemen. You guys enjoy that, all right?
No problem.
Thank you, guys.
And that's not for us then.
The rest is for other
Oh,
tables. Yes, every section.
oh, look at the robot. The robot is leaving. Oh, he didn't go far. He's serving that table. Ah. You still need a human to get it off the thing. Oh well. Hey, so let's see what we got here. We got this stuff here. We got this stuff here. And we got that stuff there. Very nice, guys. Oh wait, one more. I didn't even see that. And this stuff here. Very nice, guys.
Alright, we have got the steamed egg right here. Just be careful, the boil's
Oh,
a little bit more.
and the steamed egg. Let me take a closer look at Mr. Steamed Egg over here. What we got here? It doesn't look steamed.
It is.
Yeah? Oh, it's not Korean style, huh? All right, so what's being cooked right now is the beef tongue. Tongue, guys. Slices of tongue. The Spanish people call it lengua. I call it tongue.
You come in just for There's some more milky mushrooms here if you want. Oh, honey sauce.
Now it's starting to look like tongue.
yours, you cook your own how you want. I want to make it go very crispy.
Beef tongue. I don't know. It's not as flavorful as the lengua tacos. Kind of tastes like it's like beef soup. Kind of soupish tasting. I can't explain it. But it certainly is different. Let me try this one. Come on, tell me this doesn't look like a creme brulee. Oh, thank you. The service here is top notch, guys. Right, so I'm gonna try this here. What looks like custard? I rotate it. All right, let's try this here egg thing. I'm just so used to Korean steamed eggs that this is different. This is really kind of like a dessert item. Reminds me of Chinese tofu stuff called tofu fa, except it's egg, not tofu. Got that consistency, the softness. Yeah, very interesting. They got sushi?
Once you look through it,
There's sushi, guys?
They have like
eel roll.
they don't know if they have that. They have like beef sushi. You know the nigiri beef.
Beef
But
sushi?
look at the sushi.
Yeah, they got beef.
Okay, gold sushi.
They might have something. They might have.
Wagyu, nigiri, yellowtail. Oh, they got salmon. Okay, get it, the salmon.
Yellowtail.
Yellowtail. Okay, yellowtail.
Eel roll.
Okay, let's see if they got eel.
Yeah, they got eel. Start with
Unagi avocado hand roll.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. Spicy tuna hand roll. Spicy tuna or no? Yeah. Spicy tuna. It's like one thing you eat with your hand. It says. Okay. Yeah. Yellowtail. Gold hot dish. Wagyu udon. That's nuts.
You saw this meat here.
Is here.
You want some of this?
Salmon sushi. I'll try one. Thank you.
This is all-
All right, let's try it, guys. Nice and fresh. Oh. Also nice and fresh. Sushi wise is like seasoned very sushi like. Wow. Actually, people should come in for the sushi. It's like so fresh.
That's a sumo sushi store.
I don't know, but you don't think this is superior? Oh, let's see. All right, so here we have takoyaki. Let's take a closer look at that. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the hand roll. Oh, look at this hand roll, guys. In your hand. Wow. You need to take a closer look. Closer look. Hand rolls, guys. And over here, takoyaki. All right, we'll see how good that is. Okay, right away, the ball is too hard. There's only one place that did takoyaki really great at Marufuku, or something like that. I was just there a couple of days ago. So good. All right, let's try the takoyaki. The outside's a little hard, more hard than usual, but the inside is kind of nice. All right, I feel that the outside is cooked too much, that is hard, and the inside is not cooked enough. It's almost like a liquid. I will demonstrate. Demonstration will begin in just once I flip it over. Here we go. Now I'll break it in half. As you can see, it's pretty hard. All right. And the inside is very moist. You see how moist this is? I think it should be cooked on lower heat for a longer amount of time. It's very mushy, you see that? It's like toothpaste. It should not be like this, guys. That's not takoyaki. So let's try this piece of pork. Oh, it's terrific. Very nice pork flavor. Nice pork flavor. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, look at it go.
It's all gone.
Oh, I like it nice and flamey, guys. Oh, it's beautiful to look at. It's therapeutic. I just wish it didn't have the vacuum on the sides. I love to see all the smoke and the flame come up nice and high. As long as it don't melt my camera. Oh my goodness. All right, now I'm gonna try this here flaming beef belly. Oh, oil everywhere, guys. Almost had a casualty here. Oh, those flames really helped add that charred flavor into the beef belly. Yeah, we need that flame. So I got over here some sushi and pickled wasabi. Pickled, guys. Pickled. Dump it into the soy sauce. The cat is back. Oh no, nothing for us. Does it take away plates? Hey, come back here. Just left. That's not good service, robot. All right. Dip it into the pickle stuff here. Fresh sushi, guys. Alright, so I guess that's it. From Chubby Cattle here in Las Vegas, that's Chubby Cattle BBQ. New Vegas video every Friday. Char. Well, this one, almost burnt black. Oh.
Is that it?
Oh, the burnt Toro pieces are so good.
Burnt out?
Look at this, look at this.
That's like eating charcoal. Oh, that's disgusting.
Oh, so good.